Got an idea, Philip. Let's go barrel rolling. Here we go. You want to play axe? Of course you do. Here we go. Oh, Philip, you're not a good sport at this. William would have took the axe. Why, Hitler, baby? Why? I'm gonna have to destroy you. Good role-playing, chum. Philip! Good job! This is gonna be the worst trailer ever! Ow, my leg! Ah! Damn it!
Dude, where's the...
Where'd he go?
I don't know. Where's Sam? Go get a new wiener.
Ow, fuck!
Background person, go get a new wiener.
Fuck you. Alright, I'll go.
Oh, yeah.
Philip! Good job! Philip, I'm sorry I killed you. I'm so sorry.